is a good look. Big
Pass be my passing up. Can't see you keep up. Passing the mark, X-Parking up. Big M-Badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. As y'all can see, I'm in the 535, and before y'all reach any further into the video, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and make sure y'all watch the full video, man, of this POV. Y'all hear the intake. See if I could get some pops for y'all, man. Damn, that shit sounds good. And also guys, today is April the 4th, I think. So tomorrow is Beamer Invasion, so make sure y'all stay tuned for those videos to drop. So tomorrow video is gonna be a banger, man, so stay tuned for that, guys. Y'all gonna see a lot of damn builds, a lot of Beamers from everywhere. I know some other YouTubers from Cali and all of that. Like Finding Nick, he already shipped out his G80 already. So, and also he's gonna have his own booth. So make sure y'all go over there and show the support, man. Okay guys, so we're out here on the West Palm Beach streets. I'm trying to see if this subby wanna run it. Traffic on the road, guys, but he's going all the way down there. I ain't going all the way down there. I'll make a U-turn right here. down, Mustang down. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. There you go. We got a dub for tonight. So we got one Mustang so far. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.